Supplements are an $152 billion industry, but you probably didn't know that most supplements are completely unregulated. In short, this means the FDA doesn't do any mandatory product testing before supplements hit the shelves for people to buy. And while some supplements might be helpful or neutral to your health, there are some that could be dangerous. These are 5 supplements, as a registered dietitian, I would never recommend. 1. Weight loss supplements. Let's get one thing super clear. Improving your health may not always result in weight loss, and not all weight loss is automatically healthy, and weight loss supplements are an example of this. First off, they're usually not even effective. A recent review of over 300 clinical trials found that weight loss supplements didn't lead to much, if any, weight loss amongst participants. And not only are they not effective, they might not be safe. Other research has found that over-the-counter weight loss supplements has led to liver failure, kidney problems, and even worsening of chronic ailments for some. They're also usually very expensive, which is pretty ironic considering they don't usually work. 2. Supplements without third-party certification. As mentioned, supplements are not proactively regulated by the FDA. However, there are some third-party companies that do voluntary product testing to see if a supplement actually contains what it says it does in the amounts that it says it does. This isn't a certification of safety, but more of label accuracy. Always check for a third-party certification stamp on your supplement's label. Some popular certifications include USP, NSF, and Informed Sport. If a supplement doesn't have a third-party certification, even if it's just a single ingredient or a vitamin, I would skip it. 3. Supplements that interfere with your medications. So different compounds and nutrients can work together in the body in ways that we're not even aware of. For example, vitamin C can help improve the absorption of iron. So eating things like citrus and spinach together can make the nutrients more bioavailable. But caffeine in drinks like coffee and tea can actually inhibit how much vitamin C we absorb because they're competitive for the same receptors in the cell. For example, vitamin K can negatively impact common blood-thinning medications like warfarin. So for someone who's taking that medication, a supplement that contains vitamin K might not be safe. 4. Caffeine supplements. Caffeine is arguably one of the most popular drugs in the world, and in moderation, it might even lead to some health benefits. However, every coffee or tea drinker knows the feeling when you have one glass too many and start to get the jitters. I know it well. But caffeine supplements can have, in some cases, 2 to 3 times more caffeine than your standard cup of coffee or tea. Besides shakiness, jitters, and anxiety, excessive caffeine consumption can mess with your mental health and sleep, and can even worsen conditions like heart disease and diabetes. If you need an energy boost, opt for a filling, balanced meal and 1 cup of coffee or tea rather than a high-dose caffeine supplement. 5. High-dose supplements. Even when it comes to vitamins and minerals, more is not always better. In fact, several nutrients have what's called a tolerable upper limit, which is the max amount that people can consume that's considered safe, especially fat-soluble vitamins or heavy metal minerals like iron and zinc, because it takes the body longer to flush them out. Since supplements aren't vetted before they go to market, there's no standardized way to see that the dose that they're recommending is below this upper limit. So not only are they not necessary, but they may not be safe. Supplements should be used to fill nutritional gaps that you may not be meeting with your eating pattern, but a food-first approach is usually best to meet most of your needs. It's important to do a little bit of research and check out the daily recommended intakes for any nutrients that you're interested in supplementing, and always talk to your doctor or a registered dietitian before trying something new. I'm a registered dietitian, and these are 5 supplements that you'd never catch me buying. I hope I answered your questions, and thanks for watching.